Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Cherokee headlight, only ways. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and gathering your tools so you can work safely. Remove grill clips and access panels to reach the headlight, then unplug the connector and remove mounting screws. Swap the bulb or assembly without touching glass, reconnect wiring, and reinstall panels. Finish by testing both low and high beams and adjusting aim if necessary. Gather tools and parts before you start to speed the job and prevent interruptions. Have a 10 mm socket, ratchet, screwdrivers, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb or assembly ready. Use a lint-free cloth when handling bulbs and a container for screws and clips to avoid losing anything. A flashlight helps inspect connectors and alignment tabs. Confirm the new part matches your vehicle before removing the old headlight assembly. Carefully remove the old headlight assembly by unbolting screws and easing out plastic clips to avoid breaking tabs. Support the assembly as you disconnect the harness and remove the bulb socket by turning it then lifting out. Put the new bulb in with gloves, seat it fully, and reconnect the socket and harness. Reinstall the assembly, snug the screws, replace clips, and test the lights to verify proper function and alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.